Some good news. That bird outside, I did make a video of this annoying motherfucker. He started 4 o'clock in the morning and he went and he just didn't stop all day until about 9 o'clock at night. So from 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock he just went and for nearly 2 months it drove me fucking insane. And I am officially gonna say he's gone. Now, I did want him to die at the time, but I never did. I actually gonna say I don't want him to die. And I never paid no one to kill him. He went on his own free will. Now, did he get killed? I don't know. Did he leave because he found a mate? I really don't know. Either way, I am so grateful he's gone. It is nice again. I know I live in the countryside and we get our birds all morning long, all day long. And I'm cool with that, but this bird, you will not believe. 4 o'clock in the morning, he was really, really, really loud. Until like 8, 9 o'clock at night. He was fucking going for it. He was whistling like the fuck his life depended on it. So I don't know what happened to the guy. I am so fucking grateful he's gone. I know I don't fucking sleep that much, but fucking hell, when he was around, I was sleeping even fucking less. Mate, I don't know where you gone, but all I'm gonna say is good luck with your fucking life and thank you for fucking going. I love you, bro. It was a part of my life I'll never forget. This fucking Angry Bird came to town. Angry Bird. Haha, not the fucking game, it was fucking real life. This fucking angry fucking bird went